Hi, it's Michael from Assetly. What I'm going to show you today is how to deal with the BHP Woodside energy. So, unfortunately, in this case, there's no tax ruling, but what happens in this case is that there's a frank dividend paid by BHP, which then purchased the shares for Woodside. Now, you need to put this in McLeod through a bank account. So what happens in this case is the money weren't actually paid in a bank account, but say you can record this in McLeod, just put it through a bank account. So I'm just going to show you how this process will work. So the first thing to do is to record the recording of the income. So basically we need to add the asset income. So for the fund itself and obviously the BHP shares, record dividends. And you need to add it to a bank account. So just pick one of your current bank accounts and make sure this transaction happened on the 1st of June 2022. And you put a BHP demerger dividend as a description. You don't have to put a description in, but it's probably a good idea if you do so. Also, in this case, there was a certain number of shares and a certain dividend paid. So, in this case, it was $3,154.56. And obviously, we work out the franking credit for you, and you save the income. Now, what happens next is you need to record the purchase of the Woodside shares. So, what happened in this particular case is that there was 106 shares purchased for the amount of that dividend. So what you do is click on add new asset, select fund, direct equities, and then obviously, unless you already hold some Woodside shares, you need to select new, holding a new parcel, and then obviously start typing in what Woodside. So eventually you'll find the ASX code, WDS, and then obviously again you use the same from account as you used previously. So the money goes in and out of the one account, so your account does continue to balance. So you put in the 106 shares, and obviously the amount of the dividend, and the 3154, sorry, 56, and then basically you save the assets. Now we go back here, we can see here that on the screen, obviously here the Woodside down the screen 3154.56. I want to check to make sure that obviously the income should match up here. And then we look at the previous years for the particular sale of the shares, and it's 3154.56. So that's what should be recorded, and that's done. So okay, well just that's all you need to know in relation to recording this particular dividend. Thank you.